Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter 9 articles. First, let me explain what is an articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. A and the. The three letters are called articles. They come from nouns. I hope you all know what is noun. Noun means name. Name of everything is a noun. So the three letter articles also come from noun. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite article. Another one is a definite article. The definite article is the. The indefinite article is a and an. Now let us see the indefinite articles a and an when we can use. A is used before words that do not begin with a vowel sound, means a consonant sound. When the consonant sound comes, we use a. Next, an is used before words beginning with the vowel sound. So before the word we use vowel sound comes, we use an. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet. What are the letters? A, E, I, O, U. Written words are not pronounced with the vowel sound at all the times. So these are vowel letters, but all the times we will not pronounce in the vowel sound. So the pronunciation of these vowels differ according to the word. So my dear children, you always keep in your mind before vowel sound, not the letter. Vowel sound comes, we use an. Otherwise we use a. Words begin with the vowel sound. You see, apple, a sound. So a is a vowel. So we use an apple. Umbrella, a sound. An umbrella. Honest, a sound. Here H is a silent here. So an honest man. So we use an because vowel sound. Words begin with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. Only letter is a vowel but the sound is consonant. University, U is not a vowel. So a university. European, here E is a vowel letter but the sound is U. So U is an European country. Own, one. A one man band. Here wa sound. So the indefinite article a or an is sometimes used when we do not specify the things or people we are talking about. The particular things. When we are not specifying the particular things, we can use a and an. The indefinite article. You see, I met a friend. With any friend, not a particular friend. So we are using a here. I work in a factory in New York. Any factory, not a particular factory. I borrowed a pencil from a passenger sitting next to me. Not a particular person, any passenger. The indefinite article a. The indefinite article a is used before a consonant sound. Before I told you a dog, a pilot, a teacher. They are consonant sound. So we are using a here. The indefinite article an. The indefinite article an is used before a vowel sound. An engineer, an elephant, an athlete. A sound. Engineer is a E sound. So the definite article the. The when we can use. It is used when the speaker talks about a specified object that both the person speaking and the listener know. Suppose as I told a and an we will use not the specified person but the definite article the we use to specify the particular person or thing. The car over there is fast means a particular car. The president of the university United States is giving a speech tonight. That's why we used the definite article the here. When we speak of something or someone for the first time, we use a or an. The next time if we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. If first time we are speaking means a and an we can use. If the next time we are repeating about the matter, means we are specifying the particular matter. That's why we use the. I live in a house, means any house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. The house, the particular house. The second time we are repeating about the same. I ate in a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. The Chinese, any Chinese, but the particular restaurant was very good. Words that make a noun specific or unique. Some words make a noun specific or unique. If the noun is specific or unique, we use the definite article the. As I told you, if at the specific, they are particular things we are talking about, we use the. For example, what is on the desk means a particular desk. What is the most interesting places? Nouns that are unique. For example, the sun, the earth. We are talking about the sun. So we use the sun, the earth, the moons. The names of newspapers. The mango manager. Suppose we are talking about the cinemas, the theaters, museum, art galleries, ships, the Titanic, organization, the United Nations. We use the before these things. Then the name of rivers, the name of the islands, mountain ranges, deserts, oceans, canals, countries when they include words such as states, kingdoms, republic, the United States of America, we use before that the. The names of nouns without the house of the parliament, and in the geographical terms such as the Antarctic, the Arctic, the equator, the north, the west, the south, we use the. The names of the musical instrument and dances, the guitar, the Bharatanatyam, the salsa, we use the before that. The names of the families, the Jones families, the Jonas families, we use the before that. The Chinese, other nationalities can be used with or without the. The Egyptians, otherwise we can use Egyptians. The other nationalist, when they use the also we can use, otherwise without the also we can pronounce. Titles, the ambassador, the president, we are giving any title, book's name, anything we are using, we can use the. Adjectives, adverbs in the superlative form. The best film I have ever seen. The superlative degree. As I told, the adjectives of comparison, before the superlative degree we use always the. The comparative degree we use then. So here the superlative degree always it has the before the noun. But when the most is followed by a noun. But when we use most, so more, most we use. We will not use the. Instead of an adjective, it does not take the. When we use most. Most people enjoy going to the theater. Here the people we will not use. Because we are using the adjective most or more. The words day, morning, afternoon and evening. When we are pronouncing about the in the morning, in the afternoon, we use the before that. It was early in the morning and the sun was starting to rise. But at night, we will not use the night. We tell at night, at noon, at midnight. So we will not use the here. But when we are talking about the world wars again, the world war we will not use. Station, cinema, theatre, library, shop, coast, sea, side, beach, city, countryside, jungle, world, ground, weather. Here we use the. They went to the cinema. They went to the theater. But when we will not use articles, no article. Do not use an article with the countries, states, countries or provinces, lakes and mountains, except when the country is a collection of states such as the United States. Otherwise, we will write he lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. So, we will not use to the country, state or provinces, lake, mountains. We will not use the article, any article, not only any article we will not use here. We do not normally use an article with the plurals or uncountable nouns. So before the noun only we are using, but if the noun is a plural or uncountable nouns, there we will not use. He writes books. Books means plural. She likes sweets. Do you like Jack's music? She ate bread with butter in the morning. So here before that we will not use vowel when the noun is a plural or uncountable. So my dear children, take your book, read the definition which is given in your grammar book and do the exercise. You will understand more. Thank you. Have a nice day.